All right, next. So now we will talk about close-up shots and how to create close-up shots. So I've got this rendering and I was able to achieve this close-up look from it. Wonderful, guys. And I've got this image and I was able to generate this close-up shot. So for this demonstration, I'll take this image and I'll show you guys how to produce this close-up shot. So same thing, we're gonna go to Flux context, but this now I will reload and refresh the page. So just to make sure that it has cleared the cache of previous workflows. So now I'm gonna drag and drop my image and I'll take this prompt and paste it here, which states that make a close-up shot for the vases with a depth of field blur to everything else except the vases. Generate. And there we go. It has generated the image that we are looking for, and it's pretty great. So I'm gonna download this one. And of course, guys, any image that I can take from Flux, I can put it in Krea and I can generate a higher quality one. So we will talk more about Krea as we've talked before, but we're gonna do a couple of other examples, not this one, but for you guys to grasp on how can we do a close-up shot. So I'll do another example. I'm gonna remove this one. I'll put this one and I'm gonna, copy and paste the prompt because I've made sure that I'm describing the image in each prompt. So for now, it's the juice jar, not the vases, with focusing on the jar and blurring everything else. We can even focus on something different now. So for example, I want to focus on the shelves, okay? And plates in the shelves. So I'm not sure how is it gonna look because the background is gonna be really busy with the plants. I can describe, let's see, I'm gonna do the plates for the demonstration of that. It focuses on what I ask it to focus on. So make a close-up shot of the plates on the shelves focusing on the plates and blurring everything else without the comma. Let's see. Okay, it did. It did. Perfect. That's great. So I can take this image, I can put it part of my mood board, and whoever sees this image will be able to tell that this is here, around here. So this is great. This is how we can make a close-up shot. Okay, I'm sorry I mentioned it. Close-up shot, okay? And I can, have details such as blur and high quality focusing. So this is revolutionary, guys. Usually I need to create a camera inside 3ds Max, put all the depth of field and, the aspect ratios and the aperture and everything for me to be able to get something that is this good. So now we've got a tool to make close-up shots. I hope you guys benefit from this one. See you guys in the next ones.